You have me sitting here like this. I'm on my tiptoes. Look at my toes. I'm on my tiptoes waiting for you. Oh, I'm tired. I haven't even started yet. Okay, ready? I just want to be able to record like I'm actually getting muscles here. You'll see them. It's amazing. Are you ready?
Are you ready?
No. You watch my butt.
Woo!
That's funny.
Very nice.
I can see him. Do you see him?
Yes.
Growing. Love it. I need to go tan, but it's so bad for me.
So it's just like anything else. If you go to where it transfers out, then
How many have I done?
you also let
I don't know.
you let the pump go.
Look at those muscles.
Ah. I love weights.
You love what?
Weights.
Do it again. Ooh.
Ah.
Hold it right there. Hold it. Oh, look at that.
Ah.
Yeah.
Oh.